It's the OnePlus 12's launch countdown just under a month before the global event, unveiling the official details of OnePlus's upcoming flagship phone. But let's not overlook the OnePlus 12 getting an early official glimpse ahead of the big day. The company recently revealed the first image of the OnePlus 12 showcasing its two color variants at cool blue and iron gray. A quick glance at the image indicates similarities to the OnePlus 11, particularly the circular camera housing at the phone's back. Cool blue offers a glossy finish, while iron gray boasts a matte texture resembling the pattern design seen in the OnePlus 10 Pro. Considering the OnePlus 12's position within the lineup, it's impressive how much it borrows from the flagship series. While the Nord series impresses at its price point, it lacks the premium feel and materials of the flagship lineup. Completing the design is a matte metal frame and the iconic alert slider, now positioned on the left edge. Its relocation might take some adjustment for users accustomed to the OnePlus 11 or OnePlus Open. This move was made to integrate a new antenna system, enhancing online gaming performance. The official OnePlus 12 image aligns closely with previous leaked renders, albeit with the alert slider now placed differently. Although specifics about the hardware are still undisclosed, recent leaks suggest a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, a 6.74-inch OLED with 120 Hz refresh rate, and a triple camera setup. Pricing details remain eagerly anticipated, aiming to slot the OnePlus 12 between the Nord series and the flagship OnePlus 12. Regardless of its price, it's poised to make a statement in the mid-range segment, competing against devices like the Google Pixel 7a and Samsung Galaxy 23 Fab.